Hey guys, it's the Chad, your C10 truck nerd. Well, it's too cold today to be painting on the shop, so we're going to go on a little road trip and pick up something that I've wanted for quite some time. And no, it's not any more C10s. I think I have plenty right now. But it is something that's going to help me buy more trucks in the future, which is good. Or really bad, I'm not sure which yet. Now, I don't have anywhere to put this new purchase because the building's not done. I've got too much junk in the driveway it is, and the city and neighbors are still after me, so this'll be good. Well, over the last couple years, I have bought all sorts of old junk C10 trucks, and none of them ever seem to have an engine or transmission, so these things have to be towed home. Now, I don't own a car trailer, but I have been fortunate enough that my cousin, I call him the enabler, has helped me out with his to get all this junk back to the house. Well, I think it's time for me to get my own. For last year, I've watched Marketplace pretty religiously, and everything that pops up is either sold in 10 minutes, it's way more money than it was brand new, or it's obviously stolen. And I'm pretty cautious to buying used trailers because we've got a big trailer theft problem in our city. It's kind of why I made those videos on my top 10 ways to prevent your trailers from being stolen and how not to buy a stolen trailer. So yeah, I'm cautious. Now the other day my buddy and I were talking, and he says, hey, one of my friends that has an old 55 Chevy just bought an enclosed trailer and he's probably willing to sell his old car trailer. And I said, yeah, let's talk. So it's a little older trailer. I saw some pictures of it, ran down to the next town south and took a look with him, and we struck a deal. The only problem is he lost the title, so we've been waiting the last couple of weeks for a duplicate to come in, and today's the day where I go through and spend like all my profits for flipping truck parts the last 6 months, but it's totally worth it. So let's get this hooked up and show you what I got. Well, here's my own mode of conveyance for all these old junk trucks. Yeah, it's your own key. Well, here you go, folks. A 2007 or 8, I have to look at the title, Diamond trailer. Now, this is an 18-footer. All metal floor, tandem axle, 5-foot dovetail. Now I like this 5-foot dovetail because that helps with lowriders and all the pieces of junk that I buy. The guy bought it here from the trailer store originally, brand new, and he's been storing it here. But it's in really good shape. He was pretty meticulous about packing the bearings every couple years. But this should really do us some good. So pretty excited. Let's drag this thing home because it's starting to rain. Well, by now most of you guys should know how Mother Nature and I get along, and it's 27 degrees outside, it's pouring rain, it's slick, and I'm towing my Newish trailer home, so cool. Well, I made it home with the trailer on its maiden voyage without killing myself or anybody else, so that was a win. I won't lie, going up the interstate in that heavy rain, 26 degrees out, so it's slick. Currently no trailer brakes. I was scared. Now the next thing I want to do when it warms up a little bit is go through and do some maintenance on this trailer. It's been sitting for a while, so I want to check the brakes, the bearings, the tires, all the electrical, you know, the things that I need to get ready to start hauling these old junk C10s. But then I'm gonna need a lot of recommendations for the modifications from you guys. Right off the bat, I know I need a brake controller for the Ford, that way I can start utilizing the trailer brakes, but what else, you know? Winches. You got a favorite brand? How much pulling power do I need? Toolboxes, tie downs. You know, it's my first car trailer. I don't really know what I'm doing out here, so any recommendations you guys have, I truly appreciate it. Well, if you guys haven't, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and make sure you check out my other trailer safety videos, you know. The material's pretty good. Guy in front of the camera, he kind of sucks, but he tries real hard. Well, I need to find somewhere to shove this thing for now, because it'll be 10 minutes before the neighbor city's over here saying, now what? So I think we'll put it in the mud hole in the backyard for the time being. I got my trusty booty covers on because I'm gonna sink and it's gonna suck, so yay. Well, I appreciate your time and thanks for watching. It is cold.